Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert to the columns to your Excel file created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your file. Then tap on this insert button at the top of the screen on the left side and then click on this column button. Here you can select from three options, so tap on the relevant one and then it will be inserted. So here you can find it, you can position it within the screen, and at the top you can find a bunch of options, so you can add rows and columns to it. You can select data if you want to. You can add columns, again lines can be inserted like this, and basically um, all of the relevant information will appear at this section. As you can see here, you can customize it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.